Okay, so today we're going to be opening up the Fire Emblem Three Houses Seasons of Warfare Edition for the Nintendo Switch, which comes with the game, steelbook, artbook, sound selection CD, and a 2020 calendar. So this is the front. And then we just have the label on the side. Nintendo on the top. Same label on the other side. That boring stuff on the bottom, on the back. So we have the steelbook here. With the game inside. And the same artwork of Rhea on the back that was on the back of the actual box, but she's kind of covered by the game there. And this, I'm assuming, is the soundtrack. And then this should be the calendar. So let's look at the calendar first. It just has the crest on the back. Okay, so that's the back of the calendar, just says Nintendo. And then Fire Emblem Three has this 2020 calendar, and it's got this kind of like accordion style thing so you can actually set it up. But I'm going to hold it this way so you can see the pictures. So on the back first, we just have an artwork. And then we have Violet with all the actual dates of the events and the characters' birthdays marked off. And I'm going to assume the back pages of every calendar probably have, while you're playing the game, every time you pass a month, there'll be this artwork, and the narrator will be talking about the events of that month, so those are the artworks they have on the calendar. Then we have Edelgard. The March, which in Fire Emblem is the Lone Moon with Rhea. It's difficult to flip. Then we have the Great Tree Moon, or April. With Cetus. They have the Fire Emblem series 30th anniversary marked off as well as the events in the game. And then we have May, or the Harpstring Moon, with Sothis. June, Garland Moon, with Catherine. July, Blue Sea Moon, with Hubert. Come on, where are the blue lions? There we go. August, Verdant Rain Moon, with Sylvain. September, Horsebow Moon, Horsebow Moon, with Flame. October, or the Wyvern Moon, with Hilda. November, or the Red Wolf Moon, with Claude. And finally, December, or the Ethereal Moon, with Dimitri. And then that's it for the calendar. And then we have Fire Emblem Three Houses sound selections. Okay, so this is the front. And there's the CD, and there is the track list. So we have a decent amount of songs on here. It is just a selection though, so it's not every song in the game. And then just the monastery there in the background. Okay, so all that should be left, I believe, is the art book, which is actually really big. Oh, look at that. Nothing else in the box. Oh, I forgot to mention, the actual box has like a almost like fuzzy, furry kind of feel, which is really nice, except the stickers kind of stick to it and it's hard to get them off. But the art book has the same feel, but there's no stickers, so it just looks nice. And then we have the same artwork that's on the front and back of the steelbook, which also feels very nice. It's a different texture than the rest of it. Let's give you a sample of what you might find in here. Just kind of flip through the pages quickly. There's locations, weapons, looks like classes, monsters, and then the characters at the front. And then let me just see. Show you the tray up close. Again, as I mentioned, it actually has an interesting material. It doesn't feel this just like plastic. It's got, again, kind of a fuzzy feel on it. You can sort of see on the back here. And that's everything. Oh, this page feels weird, actually. It almost feels like a temporary tattoo. It's a really weird texture. We got characters. We're just going to flip through these kind of quickly. Ferdinand von Ayer. Ooh, they got lots of characters in here, including some late game ones. Ooh. Skip over that in case someone wants to see that. Oh, actually, this might be a different section. Aha! Enemies! That's why. So again, this has got the same sort of transparency, funky feeling. And then we'll skip over the enemies. Classes. Lots and lots of classes. Weapons and other. And environments don't count as other. This is the really pretty artworks here. And who gets to be at the end? Nintendo does. Ah, the same picture of Rhea at the back.